In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to manage iCloud storage on iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your settings, then click on the Apple ID given at the very top. Now head over to the option iCloud. Here you will see storage bar that shows exactly how much iCloud space you are using and what's taking up the most storage. To get more details, tap on Manage Storage or the Storage option. Now you will see a full breakdown of what's using your iCloud space, including things like photos, device backups, messages, and app data. Tap on any category to manage it. For example, I'm gonna click on this GarageBand. You can delete its files if you don't need it. Likewise, you can delete all iPhone backups, remove unnecessary files, or turn off apps that you don't want syncing with iCloud anymore. I'm gonna try out photos as well. All you have to do is click on turn off and delete photos. If your storage is still full, you can click on get more storage. Now you can upgrade your iCloud storage directly from here. This is useful if you need extra space for photos, videos, and backups without deleting anything important. Regularly checking your iCloud storage helps keep your device running smoothly and ensures your backup always complete without issues. So that's it. This is how you can easily manage iCloud storage on your iPhone and free up space quickly and easily. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.